Variety of reasons that were quoted to us. Of course, 45% said for the extra income that the business gives them, they are joining the industry. 20% said for the self-employment opportunity. 20% said because they want to network, they want to increase their network and socialize with more people. So this is one hidden benefit of the direct selling industry that has actually emerged from the survey findings. Flexible working hours. There were several other small reasons. Low cost and low risk involved. And 2% said that because their other regular job or other source of income got a hit. So that is why they joined the direct selling industry. One thing which I want to make it clear here is that this is for the period prior to the pandemic. So we really cannot relate the 2% figure who have joined the industry because of the job losses during the pandemic. Then we tried to find out the satisfaction mapping from a scale of 0 to 5. How happy are direct sellers with the company they are working? So we basically judged them on a 6-point criteria. So product quality, the direct sellers have given us a rating of 4.7. All direct sellers are extremely happy with the quality of the products their company is offering to them. Product portfolio, the direct sellers have given us a rating of 4.6. I mean, us in the sense, the company they are working for, the industry. So they are very happy with the product portfolio that their companies are offering. Product pricing, they have given us a rating of 4.2. So that means they are largely happy with the product pricing that the companies have kept for their products. The compensation plan, we have been given a rating of 4.5. Training programs, 4.5. And overall experience, if you combine these 5 categories, comes out to be 4.6, which is a very good score for the industry. Now, what are the benefits that our direct sellers feel that they have been able to get after joining the business? So nearly 12%, 45% have said that they have been able to develop new skills in their personality. So this is single biggest factor which our direct sellers have told us. 43% said that industry has given them financial support, and 12% said that they are being able to increase their social circle because of their participation in the business. Overall trustworthiness, how our direct sellers, how much they trust the industry and the company they are working. So male consumers or male direct sellers have given us a rating of 7.6 out of 10, and female consumers or women direct sellers have given us a rating of 7.72. So clearly more women trust the industry compared to men. Lastly, quickly to the performance of industry in the state of Telangana. As we have been mentioning again and again, Telangana and of course the city of Hyderabad holds a very important place for the growth of industry in India. So how the industry performed in the last 2019-20, in the last financial year. So gross direct selling sales in the state were in the excess of 292.5 crores. Telangana has a share of 1.74% in the national turnover and 13.15% share in the turnover of southern states. At present, there are over 90,000 active direct sellers in the state. Now, when we say active, they are working full-time. They are devoting more working hours than anyone else. So 90,000 active direct sellers, out of which nearly 40,000, more than 40,000 are women, is a commendable figure. So with this, thank you so much. And in case you have any queries or friends from media, we will be happy to answer at the end of the show. Thank you so much.